Yeah, it is for sure.
Yup, that's our team. All the Civic, bro.
Oh my god, bro. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right hand drive. Oh god. Oh man. Boring.
I gotta get that out of the way, man.
You kind of got scared, man.
What was that?
Bro, that won't hit a burnout first.
Probably not. It probably can't even hit a burnout.
Yeah.
Yo.
Probably the tires are too skinny.
Yo. The Dakota RT.
I gotta go.
Oh my god. God.
I got an itch. Oh, watch out. Stay.
Wait, what'd he say? Why were the wheels moving? No, that's boring, bro. He said they're brand new tires, bro. Oh, he still did it. Wait,
Why was there so much, like, keep getting dumped because we keep seeing cars that we want to see?
I know. Ain't no way, bro. Oh, that's crazy. Yo. This one's for Xavier. Oh god. Feels like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever been.
The craziest car I've been in.
Yeah.
I got a Lambo too.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, it's the black.
I don't have Instagram. You have TikTok?
I do, but I don't post on it. I post more on Instagram.
Oh yeah.
That's all I have to say about it.
That was
God.
sick, bro.
I know.
It felt like.
Yeah.
Wait, the bro.
Monco's leaving, guys. Oh my god, that'd be insane.
It looks like one of them two cars.
Ain't no way. This is a day to remember, bro. No burnout. That's boring.
Flip.
Oh my god, the kids are going. There's more people doing a pool. He still hit a burnout.
Kind of, yeah.
Oh god. Good luck!
Drop your back! Oh, you could just...
That was a transcend experience, though. Oh my god. Oh god.
They went off the... Mustang. That thing sounds mean.
Oh god.
This sounds so tough.
They're not gonna let you. They said not to. Holy cam. Slicks. America, motherfuckers.
This thing is so nice, bro.
On God. Oh my god, that one BMW. Hold up. FedEx is pulling up. Yo, what? Oh my god.
That's probably telling him not to.
Probably. Well, that's boring though. No burnouts. Yeah.
Wait a minute, he said be safe.
Grasshopper hit a pole. Maybe. Probably not.
I really hope this
Oh my
is a
God.
burnout, bro.
I don't know. It looks like one of those tuned Hot Wheels cars. What the hell? Oh, he's waiting for the Chevy to leave. Bro, that thing sounds like it's pooping itself. Oh my God, there's bikers. Colonini? Yeah, I know. Yeah! Guys, Jimmy is alive! Hey guys, they left behind their tire. The bikers left behind their tires.
No, Jimmy.
Jimmy? Jimmy? Let's go, Jimmy's alive.
One was shooting, it was like gunshot.
Oh yeah, true. Oh yeah, true. Don't blow a motor!
What? I'm gonna shoot.
Okay, don't. Actually, don't.
I'm gonna
That's goofy stuff. There's a Yamaha R1 right here. Yo, this is crazy.
It's brand new too. Look at it. It doesn't even have a real plate on it.
Damn, it's brand new. Okay, wait. It's got red headlights.
Hey, we saw you one time kind of down by that connection to the parking lot. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Hey, yeah. Just got winded.
Bro got windy. Oh no, it's a BMW.
Definitely a true story.
Go that way! Guys, the sheriff is all the way over there. He's right there. Thank God he did not come here, guys. W's in chat. Gang, the Carrera is leaving. Oh my God. Holy.
God, bro. Burnout number 6, 7.
Bro.
Yeah.
I hope this is a burnout. Please hit a burnout.
Please hit a burnout. Wait, no.
Wait, by chance.
Oh my god. I don't think this one's supercharged, chill. They're back. God. Bro, these BMW twins over here, bro. Yo, clean truck, bro. The sheriff just pulled up.
Oh, the license plate unbroke.
Ain't no way the Carrera pulled
We
up.
can't believe our eyes. I think our eyes are playing games.
Guys,
Wait,
there's no way.
do you think?
Guys, the Carrera. It's pulling up.
Is this some sort of like lucid dream? Is real life? Bennett, is this a lucid dream or is this real life, bro?
I don't know, bro. Oh my god, bro, the Carrera. Yo, this is crazy.
This is so gay. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
This is not gay, bro. What are you talking
I'm
about?
joking.
It's probably the most man thing that could happen. Yo. Oh my god. Wait, potential burnouts? Potential burnouts? Potential burnouts. Nope. No burnouts. In a way.
Wait, reminding him you. This is the car you bought.
Don't crash your dad's truck. Don't crash it. It's actually the bank. Yeah.
Oh no, burnout.
You had a burnout?
He's probably gonna do takeoff.
No, no burnouts? Boring! That's actually boring, bro. What the hell?
Ding ding.
Oh yeah, supercharger. Oh my god. No burnouts? That's boring, bro.
Didn't see any burnouts. Ben?
What? Oh my god.
seen your car at? What's the corner that we sit at? We would sit at?
Oh, the bank.
The banquet parking.